Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news China's going on the offensive over commodity prices it sees as too high. But first, we start today noting what most media is noting, that cryptocurrencies went on a very wild ride overnight, almost all of them. After falling steadily all week, Bitcoin touched $40,000 and then basically collapsed to $30,000, more than 50% below its high in early February. Then it recovered just as fast, but not quite all the way back, leaving holders with a big 9% daily loss. This car crash happened in the absence of any other major economic drivers or news, so it is getting outsized media coverage today. The US Fed released the minutes of its last meeting, and these revealed that some FOMC committee members started to talk about tapering their bond purchases. They're looking for the right moment. They also see very strong corporate bond issuance activity in the US. In Canada, they released April CPI data showing a rising inflation situation there at 3.4%, which was higher than expected and well above the 2.2% pace reported for March. And in Europe, they also released inflation data, this set coming at 1.6%, as expected, and up from 1.3% in March. In China, more evidence they are worried about high commodity prices and a clear suggestion Beijing is working to roll back those that have happened. And an odd outcome of these efforts is that they are now encouraging more coal production, raising output as their preferred way to balance their supply and demand. These moves helped send the ASX lower yesterday, and markets are wavering for a number of key commodities today. Wall Street is in risk-off mode, fascinated by the crypto volatility, and the S&P is now down 0.6%, although it was lower much earlier. US Treasury 10-year yield starts today at 1.69% and up 5 basis points from this time yesterday. And the price of gold starts today little change from this time yesterday, but softish at $1,863 an ounce. This commodity has also been volatile overnight. Oil prices start today $2 lower at just on $63.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is just under $66.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar opens today at 71.9 US cents, so more than 0.5% lower overnight. Against the Australian dollar, we're soft at 92.7 Australian cents, and against the euro, we're down to 58.9 euro cents. That means our trade-weighted index starts today at 73.4 and 40 basis points lower. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.